this hair is 24 inches. 24 inches of lusciousness.
It's not that I don't want you here.
Hi my loves. Ooh, this hair. I don't know how to act with this hair, but hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mrs. M. I'm Lydia Stanley, fondly called Mrs. M. And if you're not new, thank you so much, Butterfly, for coming back to my channel today. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this gorgeous unit from Geeta Hair. It is so beautiful. So beautiful. I'm going to show you all the things that it came with, of course, but there is just, you know, a card here that I think tells you to make a video on YouTube, you know, in case you're a hair person and you like to try this out, you like to try our hair videos. So if you make a video for them, you get $20. If you share on your social media, you know, you get $15. Website review, you get $5. So in case you want to check that out from Geeta Hair, definitely check it out. Okay, 100% human hair. This week you're going to see all the goodness in the video. It's 24 inches, so I got it to this because you see me use it, because at this point I've worn it 5 times now through the week on holiday. So I can tell you categorically for sure that this hair is bomb. Don't sleep on it. Just fly right now to the description box and get your hands on this hair, because this hair is giving everything and more. Just keep on watching to see. Okay, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Okay, and let's get into it. The melting band from Geeta Hair. It's double-sided as well. Geeta Hair, 24 inches. That is so beautiful. This is what the hair looks like. So beautiful. Took out the strap. So beautiful. I love it so much. Like, oh. This lace is so soft, and I'm using this eyebrow razor to cut it. All set for my girl. Goodness. Wow. That's Mrs. M. Wow. So, good morning. This is about the 5th day I'm wearing this hair without putting any products in it. I've worn it to dinner, my friend's birthday dinner. I've worn it to a book club as well. And I think I wore it to the club. I don't want to say it, but anyway, this hair has been amazing so far, but today I want to give it like a proper install. So that's just what I'm going to do, but it's not really proper. I just want to put it on again today tell you my thoughts about the hair. I think I want to start doing hair reviews like this, because if I cannot wear the hair severally, why would you want to buy the hair to wear it, right? This hair is really soft, really regal, really like, you know, boss girl kind of hair. Ooh, just took like 24 inches of lusciousness. Okay, I said I had to come during the daytime to show you the hair, because at night that day when I was getting ready for dinner, you couldn't really see the beautiful texture that is this hair. But know that I've not put any product. I don't even want to put any product, and I don't even think I want to curl it. I'm sitting in front of a big window in my hotel, and somebody just passed. They're wondering, who is she talking to? Why is she talking to her camera? This is a fallout from combing, honestly, plus the one that has been on the hair since I've been combing it this week. The whole comb on my head, so that's why I'm applying the hair wax to hot comb. Because I'm on a trip as well, I don't have my wig head with me. If not, I'll have put this on my wig head to do this step. Dries down really fast, and it is ready to stick, so you have to make sure that as you're placing it, you're ready for your hair to stay like that. I'm not going to straighten everything, but I just want to straighten the parts that, you know, are in front. This is where it stops. This is where it stops, like right down my boobs, and then down my back. And then down my back, this is where it stops. Stops right there. It gets to the top of my bum. 24 inches, so definitely check it out. Should I do that? My ear tabs never lay down, so annoying. So let me go do my makeup really quickly while I decide if I want to do my hair updo or if I want to just rock it like this. But this hair is so beautiful with 24 inches. I mean, you can do anything you want to do, but me, I'm not trimming this hair. I'm not doing anything to it extra. I'm just going to leave it like this. It's curly though. Wow, did you see that? Oh wow. But the key is to take your time with it. Oof. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to tie my edges down so I can pull my hair as much as I want. Just look at those curls, like, oof. Curling hair makes it extra, like you did extra work, because you actually did extra work. It just gives it more like whoop to this side compared to this side. I love it. I love it. I love it. Actually, let me just turn off my, so it can stop heating up. But this is what the hair looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my makeup. Okay? So now, that is what it is looking like. I'm going to do my makeup and I'll be right back. Yeah. And that completes the tutorial, my loves. Thank you so much for watching. Check out Geeta Hair. Check them out because I need you to be looking like this for Christmas period. I need you to have this on your head for Christmas. That's just all I have to say to you. Check out all the links. I'm going to have them in the description box. Leave me a comment telling me what you think about this hair. What do you think it made me look like, okay? And how would you have styled it? What would you have done differently? I would like us to talk, just gist me, give me yarn. I just did a cute hair in front of you. Let me know what you think about it. I'm going to see you in my next video, butterfly. Till then, stay beautiful. I love you. Bye.